Now in this video, I'll show you how to disable TalkBack on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So in using TalkBack, its navigation is kind of different. So to select an item, for example, I'll select settings, you highlight it like that, and then to select it, you want to double tap to go to the next menu. To scroll through, simply use two fingers to scroll down or up. And here under settings, you want to scroll down until you get to accessibility. So tap on accessibility once, then double tap on it to select it. Then here you want to select accessibility once again, tap on it to highlight, then double tap to select. And then you should see the TalkBack option right here. So tap on that once, then double tap to select. And now here you want to toggle off this use TalkBack option. So tap on it once to select and then double tap. And then it's going to ask you to confirm whether you want to turn off TalkBack. Simply select turn off, then double tap on it to select that option. And now you'll be able to navigate through your phone normally with TalkBack disabled. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.